Hello, my friend. Are your scapula so winged that you are almost flying? Do your friends think that you are carrying a jetpack? Then you may have scapular winging. Don't worry, you are not alone. Anadine has asked for a natural method for this, so I'm going to show you how to get rid of the pain. Let's get started. Both hands in a fist position and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are bending back enough, you will feel tension in your lower back. 4, 5. Stretch downward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch in a circular direction backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are rotating back enough, you will feel the tension in your shoulders. 3, 4, 5. Stretch to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you stretch to the tension point. 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands in this position and stretch inward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it and stretch back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please follow my pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extend your hands out and hold it for 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Drop your hands down.